Rapper 3000.
And the highest boy. Hey, I was so afraid, don't do it bro, never cared, still did it though. The ice was thin, the water cold, I didn't care. They said it's okay, but it ain't fair. Don't do it. Ich frag mich schon mein ganzes Leben lang, warum macht keiner keinen Klang? Die sagen alle komm entspannt, aber das ist was ich nicht erleben kann. Why like a child with a dream, jump in the stream, float like a cloud, never care about no crowd. Child with a dream, jump in the stream, float like a cloud, never care about no crowd.
I ask myself all the time, why is it all just a rhyme? I say, don't be such lazy dudes. Why y'all acting like fucking noobs?
Like a child with a dream, jump in the stream, float like a cloud, never care about no crowd. Child with a dream, jump in the stream, float like a cloud, never care about no crowd. Never give up. Never.